Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well, girl. As you guys see by the title, we are just gonna be doing a Christmas look. I wanted to do a Christmas look for you guys because I haven't sit down and actually do my makeup, okay? I missed that. That's what I'm gonna do today. I have no idea what I want to do, but I know I'm gonna do something gold. And so I have my little sweater on. I think this look like Christmassy, you know, like a Christmas sweater. I don't know. If you guys are new here, thank you guys for clicking on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so when I upload videos, girl, you will be notified. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for always sticking around. I really appreciate you guys. And I'm very excited for the holidays because I can't wait to see my family. I miss them so much. I haven't seen my mom in a while, but we talk every day on the phone. You guys know how that is, right? Putting my healthy eating aside, you know, put a little weight on for the holidays and actually go back to my, you know, my healthy eating. I already did the eyebrows because this takes a long time to do, like really long, and I don't want the video to be too long. I actually want to talk through the video. I like talking to you guys. It took me a while to get used to the camera, but now I'm used to the camera. I want to talk, okay? Let me show you guys what I use. And this is the brow pencil that I use from Makeup Revolution. This is around $8. I'll list everything down below for you guys. So this is it here. It's a little big. We have the bottom part here, which is spoolie here. Girl, I don't use this. See this? And then to clean it up, I use my e.l.f. concealer. This is the only concealer that I use for the brows, okay? I'm gonna continue using my e.l.f. hydrating primer. Okay, so if you guys miss my other videos, I will have a playlist at the end of the video for you guys. And also I'll put it up here. I'm not sure how many videos I'm gonna do this week because I'm going on vacation and I'm gonna spend the holidays with my family. So I don't even know when I'm gonna do another video, but maybe I'll do one after Christmas. I cannot wait to eat my mother's food. I'm being like really honest with you guys. I miss my mother cooking. Like, so we already have this plan, girl, that when I go to a house, we are already gonna start cooking early because there's a lot of things that we have to cook. I'm in charge of the macaroni pie. I make a really good pie, okay? I want to conceal this area. I haven't used this in a while and I want to see if there's any more in here. I haven't used a corrector in a while. So let me just conceal this. I don't really need to. Let me just conceal everything, girl. I've been drinking a lot of water, but I feel like the brushes that really got me breaking out, okay, girl? I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit, not too much because I still want everything to cover. What are you guys' plans for the holidays? I actually love Christmas, like I told you guys in the last video. I really love Christmas, but New Year's is not my thing. I really don't care for New Year's because we really don't do anything. I just stay home and watch honeymooners for the entire day. My favorite character is Al. Like, I'll get on my nerves, but I like him. Maybe I need to pull you guys a little closer. I think I'm a little bit too far. I'm gonna be using this foundation today. This is from L'Oreal, and this is the True Match Nude Serum Tinted Foundation, and this is a shade, I think it's 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. So I have a review on this. I tested out in my last video, and it's a perfect match. So I want to use it again. So I'm going to be using this brush here, okay? Now this foundation is a beautiful finish. So I really wanted a little bit more coverage, like, you know, around the lips. And I just wanted to use something to cover my dark spots. I'm not going to bring the foundation around my eyes. I'm just going to use the concealer for that. And I'm just using the rest of the foundation that's on the brush. If you guys are new here, I really don't like using this type of brushes, but girl, I have no choice at this point. I need to wash my brushes and I'm not in the mood to do that. So we're just gonna use what we have. Even though I used the corrector around the lips, it still didn't cover as much. It's still poking out there. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the sponge to take a little bit of that foundation. I'll put it right here. Just a little bit. Ooh. Let me see if I can get a little coverage. So I'm gonna take the same concealer that I used for the brow, which is this one here. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. You know, I want something a little bit more lighter in the middle there. Girl, all my concealers are almost done. And I refuse to buy any more concealers because I just don't see the need to buy any more concealers. I want to use this color, but this is from Maybelline and this is a shade Caramel. I'm gonna take a little bit and put here. Okay, so this one works. Just right here, not all over. So I want to brighten up a little bit, so I'm gonna just use that and just focus it right there. Under my eyes already creasing, so I'm just gonna use this Revlon setting powder. I'm gonna use a brush for this step. I don't like using the sponge, it's just too cakey under the eyes. So I'm gonna use this Sephora VIB Rouge brush. I just make sure that everything is blended out. I don't know if I wanna, did I put concealer over here? Yeah, I did. You see, I forgot. And I'm just gonna put that over the eyes, make sure everything is set. You see, this is my problem. It's already creasing. I wanted to use this base on the eyes and I totally forgot what I was doing. So now that everything is creasing, girl. Oh my God, it looked bad. This brush here is from Morphe and I'm just gonna press the product into the skin. And whenever I use this Maybelline product, whenever I mix it with other products, I always get like separation. Look at this, look at my nose. I did one eye off camera because I had no idea what I'm doing. Try something to see if it looked good, and this is what I came up with. Now I wanted a little bit of red. I wanted more yellow, okay? I still have more blending to do, but I wanted to do this eye really fast and then we could, you know, finish this look. This is the only red that I could find in my collection. So this is Closet. I think it's red. I think it's red. Well, these are some of my Juvia's Place eyeshadows. So I went with this shade here. This is like, I think it's red. It looks red. And then I went in with this gold shade here. And I also used this brown shade. This is from the Nubian palette, okay? And this is the Afrique palette. So I went with this two shade and I just keep on going back and forth and building up the color together. And I think I used this shade too. Yeah. So this is from the Saharan palette, but I think I mixed both of these shades together. And I also got a little fallout right there from that gold shade. I did use this base here because this base is working really good for me. So I use this base all over to get the colors to pop a little bit. And this is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. And this color here is deep. You don't really need a lot of it because a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush here. This is from Sheenan Cosmetics. This is just more of the flat brush. I really do like this shade. I use this shade a lot. And this is the one of the brown shade from the Nubian palette. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna pack that on the lid here. And I just use a little bit just to get, you know, my crease together. And then I'm gonna go in with that other shade just to lighten up a little bit. I don't want it to be too dark. This is the amount that I put, and then I go ahead and clean the brush again. And then I went in with this Saharan, I went in the Saharan palette, use this shade here. And I just, you know, put on top of that shade just to give it a little color. So this is from the Africa, what is Afrique? I think it's Afrique. This is from that palette. I'm going in with that gold shade right there. You could use any gold shade in your collection. And hopefully I see this because I always have problems getting the crease together. So I just put it all over the lid. I just like to pack on first and then after I go in and blend. So I'm going to do the bottom and I'm going to use that same base. Okay, so I'm taking that red shade. So all I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to build it up. And also I'm going to bring it in and then blend it up a little bit. Like it took me like 2 hours to put these lashes on, girl. I'm over it, okay? So these lashes are from Lash Dream and this is Blossom. I really do like Blossom because it's like really out there. I think it look okay. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna use this bronzer here. This is from Makeup Revolution, okay? This is it here. Separation right here. So I think I'm gonna cover it when I'm done. I don't know why this happened, but hopefully it cover with the bronzer. Okay, so this powder here is from MAC Cosmetics and this is the Mineralize Skinfinish. I'm going to take Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish. Okay, so I'm going to pat that under the eyes. I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian palette, Taupe color. I'm going to go back with this powder here from Revlon. I want to do reverse contour today. And I'm going to dust it up real quick because I don't want it to look like matte or anything. And then I'm going to go in back with that same powder from MAC Cosmetics and I'm going to go over it. So I'm going back with the same shade that I have on the lid. I just want to put a little bit here so you can meet together. So this is the final look. Really enjoyed this video. So everything that I use in this video, or if I didn't show it, it will be listed down below. So this is my first time doing a holiday look for you guys and I really enjoy this. I really like the gold and the red. Girl, I don't know about my lashes, so we're just gonna go with it. So the lipstick is from Juvia's Place. I'm also gonna put it down below for you guys. This is a matte lipstick, okay? Really pretty. So let me know what you guys think about this look, guys. I try my best, you know, to do something different. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so when your girl upload videos, you will be notified, girl. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So Merry Christmas to you guys and I will see you guys in the next video.